Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna showcase how to basically keep the recording icon and the pause icon always on top, because OBS doesn't have such option, unfortunately. So in a nutshell, what you want is to install a program called Microsoft Power Toys. It's a free open source program. It's really easy to get. Just a quick search on Microsoft Power Toys, what to do. Install. Here they are all options you can get. You can also download various versions in case one you don't like. Thanks for the reminder. So once installed, the big thing you need to activate is cut and block. This basically cuts a portion of your window, and if you press the showcase one, the anteprima in my language, it will basically create a clone to see that window and activate topmost, always on top. Kind of the same shortcut for me, so it's pretty easy. So what I'm gonna do is to create from the OBS window a copy and cut the proportion where you are recording. I've zoomed a bit too much. And here you should see now that the recorded section is on course. Make the window a bit larger or you can grab it. Okay, see? And now this one, just put it in the top right, left, bottom, whatever you want. Make it smaller, as small as possible. Okay. Or you prefer a big one, so like this. Prefer a medium size. And as you can see, now you get it, but it's not always on top of the object. Because I always put on top, sorry. What you want is to basically press the command to put it always on top. Now I unlocked it, so every window can hide this. And now I'm gonna re-put it so that all windows cannot block it. See that that cling will dire. It means sorry. It means that now this one is always present. And basically this one is a mirror version of the window for OBS. Now you can see everything because one, I'm recording full screen, and two, I put the option to record everything on OBS. Because if you check and hide the OBS windows, you will not see this. And now let's say you want to play another game, like in my case, Deltaruined. You open Deltaruined, put it full screen. And the game crashed, no. Okay, so as you can see, I can play the game. It's a bit buggy, the game, the thing, honestly. But just in this case, just put it once correctly and you're done. Also, Deltaruined tends to big and large, get smaller in the first 3 windows. I don't know why. So let's say you want to pause, just press 2. In my case, just press your pause button. As I put in the screenshot, you can see that when I pause, you actually see the pause thing. And this is a really good, useful tool to not actually lose all your progress. You can put also the mixer on top, and I did a video about it, but this is for the recording purpose, but recording audio purpose. This one is just way more useful because you can play all games full screen without the fearing of losing your progress, which is the big thing. Honestly, we don't want to waste time or anything when we play. You might also get fun. You press the button, you just see it. Oh damn! I closed the recording. So anyway, yeah, get a little bit of Deltaruined too. Nice mod of Deltaruined Chapter 2. And thank you for watching. Hope this tutorial was useful, and see you in future videos. Bye and take care. And good new year, by the way.